break the zero income. Narinig mo na ba ito? Alam mo bang may nag-i-exist na concept para ma-break yung zero income? So, by the way, I'm Gabby Calia Jr. I'm a high school graduate, factory worker before. I'm a mega introvert. Hindi kami galing sa mayamang pamilya. My parents are hardworking. Nagawa po nilang umaga yung gabi. For 15 years, nagnegosyo ang mother ko. Unti-unti siya nalugi dahil sa competition, wala siyang pampuhunan. At yung 15 years po na pinaghirapan niya, nag-zero. Actually, hindi zero. Negative zero. Ina-force yung father ko na magtrabaho sa ibang bansa, mag-abroad. Sinala po yung lupa't bahay. Na-scam siya ng agency. Challenging situation namin. I realized, teka, ayoko magtrabaho habang buhay sa pera. Grabe yung kanilang struggle pagdating sa finance. So, nakita ka na ba ng school bus driver? School bus driver, a week, a month from now, 6 months from now, pag siya ay bumiyahe, meron siyang kita. At the moment na hindi siya bumiyahe, one day, wala na siyang kita. 1 week, wala na rin kita. If you can see a surgeon, they're very skillful, highly paid, skilled. Pag may nagpa-opera, may kita sila. 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, 6 months, may kita sila. Pero pag wala na po nagpa-opera, walang kita. Except kung kanila yung hospital. Yung kaibigan ko, na binili namin ng resort, yung binilihan po namin ng mga properties, top notch sa Dubai for 10 years. Pag sinabi mo yung sales ng condo, ang galing yan. Nung magkita kayo, mag-usap kami, sabi ko, kamusta? For 10 years, meron ka pa bang nare-receive dun sa pinagpagura mo from day 1? Sabi niya, wala na sir. So, back to zero. And imagine mo, no? Nung ako nag-work as factory worker, I have to get up 4 a.m. Pasok kaya 7 o'clock ng umaga. Hindi bayad yung 4 a.m. So, I'm working hard, no? Uwi ako na alas 5, kinabukasan, gigising ulit para sa trabaho. And then, the moment na hindi ako magtrabaho, back to zero. Hindi ko na papakinabangan yun. So, I'm looking for an opportunity na hindi ako magtrabaho habang buhay sa pera at hindi ako habang buhay mag-start from zero. So, maraming tao, hindi nila alam na meron palang way para makascape doon sa laging back to zero. So, you can break the zero income. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin sa iyo. Here's the good news. You can do this as side hustle, as part-time. Di mo kailang ihinto yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Kahit ikaw ay estudyante, OFW, mompreneur, adpreneur, businessman, employee, manager, supervisor, or kagaya kong factory worker, high school graduate, pwede ka dito. So now let's talk about this opportunity.
In today's changing world, a partnership must be more than just profit. It must be purpose-driven, empowering, and built to last. This is what Sante offers. Welcome to the Sante Partnership Program, your modern pathway to health, wealth, and impact. A business built on 4 powerful pillars: a stable company, high-quality products, a proven compensation plan, and full system support. Let's start with the foundation that holds it all together. Sante began with a mission to help people live better lives through natural health and a sustainable business model. And we are guided by a clear vision to be a global provider of premier wellness products and services, helping people live healthier and more meaningful lives. As the leading and most trusted barley brand, we have proudly served for 18 years in the industry. As a Filipino-owned company, Sante has established a robust presence, including our own manufacturing facility in New Zealand, ensuring the highest quality from farm to your home. We're not just growing, we're expanding across continents. With a robust presence in over 10 countries and more than 100 branches nationwide, our reach is getting strong, stable, and flourishing. With years of experience, ethical leadership, and a clear vision for global impact, Sante is built to last and built for you. And at the heart of this company is what we offer the world: products that truly work. Health is wealth, and never before has that been more true. Today, people actively seek natural health solutions, and Sante delivers. From our certified organic barley grass from New Zealand packed with nutrients, trusted for generations, to our wide range of functional beverages, supplements, and wellness solutions, every product is built on science, nature, and real results. With Sante, you're not selling ordinary products. You're offering people a better way to live. Solutions that support immunity, energy, digestion, fitness, sleep, focus, and so much more. That's the power of the Sante product line. Natural, innovative, proven, in demand. This isn't just wellness. It's a movement, and you're leading it. Because when your product brings real value, your effort deserves real rewards. Thousands of partners have transformed their lives through our proven compensation plan, with many becoming self-made Filipino millionaires. Our Sante Partnership Program has helped hundreds of business owners drive home their dream cars and travel the world. Whether you're looking for extra income, a second career, or full-time financial freedom, our compensation plan is designed to grow with you. As your business scales, so does your reward, because we believe that you deserve to live for more. More time and more freedom. But success isn't built on rewards alone. Behind every thriving Sante partner is a powerful support system. As your business grows, we grow with you. Through our Sante Engage training, you'll develop the skills, knowledge, and mindset to lead your team, serve your customers, and succeed in today's fast-paced business. These trainings are powered by top-tier speakers and industry experts, ensuring that you learn directly from the best. You'll also receive hands-on mentorship from experienced Sante leaders, people who've built their own successful businesses and are committed to helping you do the same. They walk with you, guide you, and share practical strategies to accelerate your growth. And when it comes to events, we don't just hold gatherings. We create high-energy, transformational experiences that ignite belief, build momentum, and celebrate every win, from your first sale to major leadership milestones. But here's what sets Sante apart even more: our global dropshipping system. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need logistics. You don't even need to be in the same country as your customer. With just your phone and a link, you can run a business that ships worldwide automatically. That means unlimited reach, zero inventory stress, and full control of your growth. No matter where you are in the world, you can build global income without borders. These 4 pillars aren't separate, they work together. A reliable company, powerful products, a rewarding system, and unmatched support, all designed to help you succeed in a modern world. All that's left is action. Partner with us, sell, sponsor, sustain your business, and let Sante take you further than you ever imagined. Don't just dream it, build it with Sante. Join thousands of partners who are living for more. Your Sante journey starts now.
Nakaka-proud ho ba? Nakaka-inspire? Grabe, solid no? Thousands of people. Isa na po ako dun sa natulungan ng negosyo na to. Sino po yung gusto matulungan ng negosyo na to? Taas ang kamay. Naku, napakadami pa. So yung foundation, elaborate lang natin ng konti para mas lalo yung makita gaano kalaki yung papartneran mong Sante. Okay lang ba? Sante, your trusted partner in success. So pag-usapan natin yung first pillar. Ito po yung company. Sante, proudly Filipino-owned company. And we are 18 years na po, no? Kasi bakit 2007 tayo nagsimula. Kinikilabutan ba kayo? 18 years. Tapos ngayon pa lang siya nagmamomentum ng todo. Yung second pillar po is this, the wellness that hits different. Naniniwala ka ba, kailangan yung company mo may magandang product. Tama ba? Yung sa atin po, hindi lang maganda. High quality products. Let's watch this video.
Sante is more than barley. We bring wellness to every heartbeat of your day. Daily C, your daily defense with non-acidic vitamin C. Sante Barley Fusion Coffee. Smooth energy with the goodness of barley grass powder. Fit and trim. Zesty green tea lemon drink with barley grass and L-carnitine to keep you light and support your wellness goals. Sante Barley Boost Coffee. Bold flavor with Tonkat Ali to power your day. Sante Choco Barley. Chocolatey goodness with barley grass benefits in every sip. Moments in Ion sanitary pads and panty liners. Breathable comfort with an Ion strip technology. Natural toothpaste, fluoride-free oral care with barley grass powder, tea tree oil, chamomile, and aloe vera for a fresh smile. From the gentle care you feel to the glow you see, barley and collagen work together to nurture your skin. Beyond skincare, Sante Beauty also has drinkable care, giving you beauty that starts within. Every step toward wellness, every pause for self-care, every moment of total well-being. Sante moves with you in every moment for everyone.
So ano pa? Third is growth that rewards. A proven compensation plan. Sabi nga nila, pag may maganda at quality kang products, maganda ang kita. So now, paano nga ba maging part naman ng napakagandang Sante Partnership Program? Okay, sa mga nanood sa YouTube, sa Zoom, ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin is the choose an activation pack. meron tayong Starter Activation Pack, Builder Activation Pack, Extreme Pack, and Ultimate Activation Pack. So yan po, pwedeng i-discuss na lang sa inyo ng mga nag-invite sa inyo, okay? Pero gusto niya ng tip, suggest ko po, ang tanongin nyo agad yung Ultimate Pack. Anong meron doon, no? After mo mag-enroll sa partnership program, part ka na ng Sante, no? Ang maganda dito, meron kang 9 ways to earn. Pero hindi ko pwede discuss lahat yan. So ito unahin natin. Number 1 is the personal purchase bonus. Ano po yan? Kada bibili ka ng product sa Sante, meron kang rebates. May bumabalik sa'yo. Familiar kayo sa mga points? Okay, no? Sa SM, mga ganyan, di ba? May mga points sila? Yes. Sa atin po meron. Mas malaki lang. Up to ilan? 24%. Ang galing, no? Gagamit ka, bibili ka, merong babalik sa'yo. Anong kailangan mo lang gawin? Switch ka lang sa healthy brand. May mga product dyan, merong kape, merong toothpaste, merong choco barley, merong vitamin C, may napkin, tapos mong kamay na nagisipilyo. Lahat ba? Hindi, nag-check lang ako, baka mamaya may hindi. Mahirap na, di ba? Ba lahat nasa bahay mo na, ibang brand lang? Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, switch ka lang sa healthy and premium brand. No? Ano pa? Retail bonus. Ito maganda, pag part ka na ng Sante, you will get up to 50% discount sa lahat ng Sante products natin. Ang laki. Tama? Halimbawa, ito. Pag binili mo siya, dyan sa any branches, no, or sa office, ang 30% discount niya, kung isang box, magkano po? Okay. Pagka-customer, magkano po? Magkano ang tubo mo per box? 618. Ikinwento mo lang siya. Sa kapitbahay, kakilala, kaibigan ka, mag-anak mo, or nag-post ka sa Facebook na ininom mo, tama? May bumili sa'yo, pwede na ba? 618 pesos? Yes. Eh kung 10 yan, magkano po yung extra income mo? 6,180. Maganda bang extra income? Pwede na ba makatulong sa pambayad ng bills, di ba? Kung nagulog ka ng motor, pwede? Eh paano po kung inavail mo yung 48% discount? Meron tayong promo po, di ba? Pag bumili ka ng 3, may libreng isa. Malabas, 1,081 na lang po yung isang box. Ang customer's price, pag binili sa'yo, magkano? 2,060. Magkano ng profit mo? 978. Eh, meron kang 10 box na retail. Let's say, isang linggo or isang buwan. Magkano yan? 9,785. Maganda na po bang income? Yes, let's face it, di ba? Hindi sapat ang isang income ngayon. Tama ho ba? Agree ba kayo? Kaya nga maraming side hustle, no? Pero ito maganda. Nagiging healthy pa sila. Meron po kasi akong isang member niyan. Pag sign up po niya, may product siya, di ba? Sinabi niya po yung tarpaulin sa gate nila. After 15 minutes, may nag-inquire. Mars, saan mo nabili yan? Member na ako. Meron kayong stock dyan. Di ba may lamang product yan, di ba? Alam mo, walang 15 minutes, nakabenta siya. Kasi matagal niya lang hinahanap. Kasi bakit? We have a premium quality products. So, pwede na po, retail income. Yes. Meron tayong tinatawag na fast start bonus. Ano po yan? Sabi po dito, earn from every purchase of an activation pack by sponsored business owner. Okay? Siyempre, di ba, ang Pilipino, likas po yung makwento. Tama ho ba? Kinuwento mo lang itong business and the products, magkakaroon ka ng income. Paano po yan? Una po, yung fast start bonus. Paano po? Tinanong ng Mars mo, ng kaibigan mo or classmate mo, paano magka-discount? Paano yung ginagawa nyo? Nag-avail din siya ng activation package. Ito maganda po, no? Kung siya ay nag-avail ng starter pack, ang iyong income, magkano po? 400 pesos. Pwede na? Ito maganda po. Pansin nyo ba? Puro videos lang, nakaupo ka lang dyan, napalakpa ka lang dyan, masaya ka lang, di ba? Nakikinig ka lang, tama? O, umupo po siya dyan, yung in-invite mo, nakinig siya, nag-avail siya ng package, meron kang 400 pesos. Pwede na? Pwede na. Okay? Let's say ang binili po ay builder pack. Medyo negosyante siya mag-isip. Magkano ang fast start bonus mo? 1,000. Eh what if ang gusto niya, medyo level up ng konti, extreme pack. Magkano ang iyong fast start bonus? 2,000. Eh what if gusto niya, yung ultimate pack, ang binili po niya. Ang iyong fast start bonus, magkano po? 10,000. Sino po nag-explain? Ako. Sino po ang nag-income? Kayo. Masarap ba yun? And by the way, yan po ay daily income. Part-time. Malaking tulong? Yes. So ito po, wala pong limit. The more na marami kang makwentuhan, the better. Tsaka ito po, tingnan nyo. Di ba malapit na yung December? May tao naghahanap ng ng product na healthy, naghahanap ng negosyo na maganda. Saan nadalihin yung kanilang 13-month pay, bonuses. O di ba? Dito po magandang dalihin niya. Okay ba yun? Yes, para matulungan sila. Ito po, isa sa hindi nagpatulog sa akin sa negosyo na to. Kasi po ito, naintindihan ko nung in-explain sa akin, paano yun? Di ba? Sabi po sa Infinity Bonus, earn 500 for every link points from packages purchased by business owners under your team. Lahat po ng packages po na bibilihin, meron po yang Infinity Points. Yung starter pack, ilan po ang points? Yung builder pack, ilan? Yung Extreme Pack, yung Ultimate Pack, 15. O pag nag-join ka po dito, magkakaroon ka ng account. Yan po itsura. Then meron niyang left side tsaka right side. Nasa dashboard na po yan, system na yan. Halimbawa po, anong pangalan ni Kuya? Henry, okay. Let's say si Henry, na-introduce sa akin yung Sante. Ako po, bumili ng starter pack. Ilan yung points niya sa left side? 1. And then may na-sponsoran si Henry. Ano pangalan ni Kuya? RD. Nax, di ba? Mga artistahin yung mga pangalan nandito, di ba? Si Kuya, bumili siya. Halimbawa, builder pack. Ilan po ang points? 3. Okay? Maglilink po yan. Ang babasayan ng system dyan, sino yung lesser points? Ano po yung lesser? 1. So maglilink yan. Ang sabi dito, kada link magkano? 500. So yung 1, babawasan yung 3. Ilan po matira dyan? Ayan, 2. Let's say, ako po, may na-introduce ako. Siyempre, di ba, hindi lang si Henry. May na-introduce din ako. Ang binili po na na-introduce ko, starter pack din. Ilan po ang points nun? 1. Dito po wala muna siya na-introduce, halimbawa. Pero may points pa tama? Maglilink pa rin? Yes. So magkano po ang income uli? 500. That's it, no? System po yung magbibilang yan, hindi po kayo. Ano pa? Halimbawa, ito po, si Kuya, RD yan. Builder pack, di ba? Sabi niya, ako, ang kaya ko ma-introduce sa business, extreme pack. Nice, di ba? Ilan po ang points? 7. Ilan na tira dyan? 1. No? I-add lang po yan. Nandiyan ba? 8. Yan po, no? So ngayon, ano mangyari po dyan? Okay, tingnan natin. Yung na-invite ko, may na-invite din extreme pack. Ilan po ang points nun? 7. Maglilink po ba? Yes. So 7 links times 500. Magkano po ang income mo? 3,500 isang gabi. Tingnan mo na ito maigi ha. Henry L., kilala mo pa to? Ikaw ba nag-invite? Hindi na. Ikaw nagpaliwanag? Hindi. Baka mamaya, nagtatrabaho ka or what, di ba? Eto, kilala mo pa? Hindi na. Iba nag-introduce, di ba? Pero meron kang income? Yes. That's the infinity bonus. Etong maganda, di ba? Eto po ba may ma-introduce pa sa business? May kakilala? May kaibigan? Eto po meron din? Kaya mong pigilan? Hindi, di ba? Ang tao pa ng pag kumikita po yan, may good news yan, hindi mo kayang pigilan magkwento. Tama mo ba? Yes. Yun ang pinakamaganda sa atin. Itong pinaka solid. Marami bang Pinoy sa iba't ibang lugar, sa iba't ibang bansa? Alam mo kung gaano kaganda to? Pag na-introduce mo to, tawagan mo lang sila, meron tayong global shipping. Let's say, sa Hong Kong, meron ka kaibigan ka mag-anak doon, bibili sa opisina ng Hong Kong o kaya pa-deliver sa Hong Kong, ang income nyo po doon, hindi po peso. Ang income nyo ay dollars. Maganda ho ba yun? Maganda ba yung infinity bonus? Alam nyo, mayroon pang isang maganda dyan. Ano po yun? Ito po yung mga nag-repeat orders. Siyempre, di ba, pagkatapos mag-member nung tao, mag-enroll, yan ba yung gamit ang product pa ulit-ulit? Yun ang maganda, no? Pag ulit-ulit na gumagamit yan ng product, mayroon kang paulit-ulit na income. Gusto nyo ho ba yun? Ang tawag ko dyan, break the zero income, okay? Dito po, ang gagawin mo lang, magbibuild ka lang po ng community. Community of what? Community of users, no? Yung mga taong natulungan ng negosyo natin, building communities, may mga stories na naka-inspire. I want you to listen and imagine nyo, no? Kayo na yung next na nakakakuha ng mga nakuha nila. Okay lang ba? So I want you to focus here. So let's watch this video.
It starts with a choice. It leads to rewards beyond your imagination. At Sante, we believe in rewarding effort. Here's how we celebrate your journey. Even at a young age, your dream gadgets are within reach. With Sante, you can level up fast and start building your future today.
Hi everyone, this is Yana Estrada, and before I don't have any control of my life dahil umiikot na lang ang buhay ko sa trabaho, sahod, padala sa magulang, bayad ng utang. Pero buti na lang someone introduces me Sante Opportunity. Kaya naman I avail the best-selling package which is Builder Package. Hindi po ako magaling na nag-start pero because of the solid support system of Team Stallion 777, I was one of the fastest to hit the diamond position, qualified for free gadgets, qualified for free travels, and the best part, I took back the control over my life.
Hi! Hindi ako nakapagtapos ng kolehiyo because of financial problem. Pero buti na lang, dumating si Sante sa buhay ko. Ginawan ko ng paraan yung builder pack kahit wala akong pera, pinangutang ko po ito. Sa loob po ng 2 weeks, nabawi ko po yung ROI, nabenta ko lahat ng products at mas malaki pa po yung binalik sa akin. I'm super thankful sa Stallion 777 community na tumulong sa akin para mag-grow, ma-develop, maging leader and at the same time maging successful po sa industry na to. Because of our team at a very young age, naging Sante franchisee tayo. Nakareceive ako ng napakadami ng gadget, ng libre. Nakapag-travel na po ako ng 9 times sa iba't ibang bansa ng libre because of this opportunity. Naging partner rin po tayo ng Millionaire Circle at nakakatulong sa napakadaming tao. Gusto mo ba yon? Kung nagawa ko, mas kayang-kaya mo din.
Dating OFW, nangangarap na makauwi ng Pilipinas at makasama ang pamilya. Nakilala ko ang Sante dahil sa community ng Team Stallion 777. Nag-avail ako ng builder pack. Ito yung sinimulan kong negosyo na dating wala akong alam sa negosyo. Walang alam sa gadget. But because of Team Stallion 777 community, ako po ay naging successful dito, a mompreneur, at syempre isa pa, natulungan ako na makauwi ng negosyong ito. Pangarap ko noon, ngayon nagkatotoo. And of course, dito po napasama ako sa travel, saka sa car incentive. Nagpapasalamat ako sa community nang dahil sa kanila, alam niyo po, ang laki ng nabago sa buhay ko. Kung kinaya ng isang OFW, alam ko, kayang-kaya niyo rin.
Hi, my name is Mika Florendo. Prior joining in Sante, ang gusto ko lang po ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. At the same time, gusto ko rin po magkaroon ng extra additional income para masuportahan yung aking pag-aaral, para matulungan ko yung aking family. Alam niyo po ba, because of this business, sa tulong ng Stallion 777 community, yung inavail ko po na builder package, alam niyo po ba yung nangyari? Yung goal ko na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral, nangyari po yun. Yung goal ko na magkaroon ng extra additional income, nangyari din po yun. Pero ito yung good news, akala ko hanggang dun lang yun. Because of this business, natulungan din po ako nito makapag-travel ng libre sa iba't ibang bansa. At ito pa yung matindi. Sin po ay inawardan bilang isa sa pinakabatang member ng Billionaire Circle ni Santeo.
Hi, I am Annie Digno, a former accountant. Empleyado of 18 years, walang sapat na ipon at walang oras dahil sa aking trabaho. Kaya nung nakilala ko ang napakagandang opportunity na to, I grabbed the chance and grabbed the Builder Pack. Salamat sa support ng Team Stallion 777 dahil patuloy ang paglaki ng aking grupo international. I am earning in peso and dollar as well. Kaya naman patuloy ang paglaki ng aking ipon. Experience ko rin ang mga free gadgets and travel sa iba't ibang bansa. At higit pa dyan, karoon na ako ng oras sa mga importanteng bagay at importanteng tao sa aking buhay. Now I'm doing the business at the comfort of my home and became one of the million earners.
Si Miss Leslie Calya, and before ko po makilala ang Sante International, isa po ako sa kabataan na namumroblema sa pera. Hindi mabili ang mga bagay na gusto, hindi makapunta sa mga gusto niyang puntahan, at ako po ay walang purpose. Pero because of Stallion 777 community, tinuruan po ako na mangarap ng malaki. Tinuruan po ako paano gawin ang negosyo po ng Sante International. Nang nakita ko po ang Sante, hindi ko na po pinakawalan. Kumuha po agad ako ng builder package after no. Yung bata na wala pong income, yung bata na mong problema sa pera, hindi mapuntahan ang lugar na gusto niyang puntahan because of this business. Alam niyo po, nagka-travel na po ako iba't ibang bansa. Nagkaroon po ako ng sarili kong sasakyan. Kita ko po ang aking first million at the age of 24. At ang pinakamalupit po dito, nagagawa ko po ang mga bagay na gusto ko. So kung nakaya ko, kaya mo din.
Hello! My name is Laureline Castro Icalia. Dati akong BPO employee. Lang time sa sarili and walang savings kahit palagi naman akong nag-OT. By the way, kinuha ko ang Builder Pack dahil nakita ko na napakaraming benefits and multiple source ng income. Nagawa ko ang business ng mas maganda at naging successful sa tulong ng encouragement at simple step-by-step proven system and program ng Stallion 777. Now, meron pa akong free travel kada taon. Dati pandagdag ng pambayad sa mga bill. Right now po, meron pa akong libreng sasakyan. Get your builder package now. I promise you na this is the best decision that I have ever made and hindi ka magsisisi.
Hi! My name is Tin Payawan. Dati akong empleyado, mahiyaing probinsyana, mahina ang loob ko noon. At isa ako sa wala na ng pag-asa na makuha ang mga pangarap ko. Pero, buti na lang, dumating sa buhay ko ang Stallion 777 community at nagkaroon ako ng paniniwala na posible pala na magbago ang buhay ko. At my young age, I was able to acquire my first car, real estate properties, nakapag-travel ako sa iba't ibang bansa. Higit sa lahat, nag-improve ang sarili ko, nag-grow ako as a leader, and na-develop ako as an entrepreneur. Bini-enjoy ko ngayon ang buhay ko because I am my own boss. nakakatulong tayo sa maraming tao. Thank you so much, Stallion 777. This is Tin Payawan, one of the Sante Elites Philippines.
Paano ko pagkakasyahin ang 9,000 a month para sa aking pamilya, para makuha ko yung aking nanay sa pang-araw-araw ko, tapos breadwinner pa ako. Buti na lang, nakilala ko ang Sante Partnership Program. Ang kinuha ko pong package ay Builder Package. Alam niyo po, yung dating kumikita ng 9,000 a month, natulungang magkaroon ng extra income. Naging member ako ng Executive Millionaire Circle dahil po sa negosyo na ito. Nabigyan ng sariling sasakyan. Dati ang nakikirenta po, ngayon po nagkaroon ng mga properties, hindi lang po isang house. And dati, ang taong laging may utang, walang ipon, ngayon po nagkaroon ng ipon at nakabayad ng lahat ng utang. Pag-travel po ako sa 17 countries for free. Ang dating tao na walang self-confidence, mahina ang loob, natulungan po ako ng negosyo na ito na mailabas ang potential ko. Dahil yan, tinapangan ko at binigyan ko ng chance ang sarili ko na sumubok. Higit sa lahat, dahil po yan sa Stallion 777 community na talaga namang sinuportahan ako simula hanggang huli. Kaya kung nakaya ko na ordinaryong staff, mahiyain, kayang-kaya mo din. I'm Eds Icalia, here in Cavite.
Ano pang inaantay mo? Kung nangyari po sa akin, pwede ring mangyari to sa'yo.
Kung kinaya ko, kayang-kaya mo rin.
Kung choose the Builder Pack, Builder Pack ang piliin mo, hindi ka magsisisi.
It's definitely working. Welcome to Stallion 777.
Welcome to Team Stallion 777.
Welcome to Stallion 777. Congratulations!
Join us now.
Wow! Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng stories nila, no? Ito yung maganda po sa Sante. You have a strong support system. Ito po, hindi ka mag-hassle na mag-isa. May sarap ba may mga tutulong sa'yo? Yes, no? So, dito po sa atin, meron kang support. So, hindi ka kakaba-kaba na hindi ka magaling, hindi ka marunong. Don't worry po, no? You have a support like this po, no? Global Dropshipping. Alam naman natin gaano kamahal mag-set up ng sariling dropshipping. Dito meron ka na. Meron tayong engaged trainings and events. Tuturuan ka paano yung skill sets mo mas lalo mag-improve. And then, you will learn business building strategies. Ito po yung mga top leaders, speakers. Kasama po sila na yun nandyan no, sa board na yan. Across the Philippines po, no? Lahat yan willing to support. We have a 24/7 customer support. We have a Sante partner site. Ito maganda, pagka nag-join po kayo, yung business nyo, handy. Pwede mo dalhin kahit saan po. On the go yan. Dito may check yung points, commission, ilan na yung members mo, everything po, inventory, nandito lahat sa dashboard mo. Ito po, high quality. And then, ito po yung isa pa sa mahal kung magnenegosyo ka sa labas. Ito po yung marketing. Sante na po ang bahala sa lahat ng collaterals, ambassadors, billboard, para pagaanin, pabilisin yung business mo. Tayo rin po yung nag-sponsor sa pinakamalaking run dito po, yung Sante Barley Trilogy, para yung mga tao maging mas aware about Sante Barley. Yun po yung marketing support sa atin ng Sante. Now, meron po tayong matinding upgrade. Can you say upgrade? Ito po yung next level na kahit maganda na po ngayon yung income, yung kitaan po, no? Sa next year, 2026, meron pong ila-launch yung Sante na something great. No? Something talaga na grabe. Kahit po ako kinikilabutan ako. Kasi yung kanina, nakita nyo maganda na po, ito iba. Iba po talaga. Para mas i-explain sa inyo, let me introduce to you the Sante Next AI.
What if we told you the best time to join Sante isn't in 2026? It's right now. Because the future of direct selling, e-commerce and dropshipping is about to evolve, and you have the chance to be part of it before the rest of the world even sees it. Hi, I'm Joey Marcelo, CEO of Sante International. And today, I want to share something that could change the way you look at the future. For almost 2 decades, we've built more than just a company. We've built a movement, grounded in purpose, powered by people, and sustained by a product trusted by millions. We've transformed lives through a compensation plan that rewards real effort. And we've empowered thousands through a proven system that helps ordinary people create extraordinary success. At the heart of our journey is what we call our four-legged horse, our company, our product, our compensation plan, and our system. These 4 pillars have carried us forward until now. Because today, we shift gears. Today, we enter a new era. Welcome to Sante Next AI, Let me invite my AI assistant Naya to give you more details.
Hello, Sante Nation. I'm Naya, Sir Joey Marcello's personal AI assistant, proudly powered by Sante Next AI. Sante Next AI, a revolutionary new era of leadership, income, and lifestyle opportunities. Launching officially on January 1st, 2026, this program combines innovation, automation, and game-changing opportunities. We've modernized everything. A re-engineered compensation plan, a new e-commerce platform, an upgraded business system, and a product line that's getting stronger than ever. But the biggest shift? We've added a powerful new engine, artificial intelligence. From customer engagement to distributor support, from content creation to smarter operations, AI is now embedded into our DNA. For the past 18 years, we listened, we studied, we evolved, and now we're giving you the edge. 9 exciting ways to earn. Faster rewards for faster action. More bonuses for more builders. Real-time payouts. Deeper leadership income. AI-powered back office to guide your growth. A roadmap from first sale to global success. A system that builds your team for you with smart AI tools. Global e-commerce and dropshipping, so you can build your business locally and sell globally, stock nothing. To those looking for a strong, stable company, then it's time you looked at Sante Next AI. We're not another hype company. We're backed by 18 years of solid foundation and consistent performance. We have our own manufacturing facility in New Zealand. We have BioGrow Organic certification, the only company outside New Zealand to earn it. Pioneers of barley grass in the Philippines. Powered by the trusted Sante Barley brand. A legacy of leadership now paired with a future-focused vision. Why you should join now. Number 1. Lock in lower prices before they go up. Save as much as 10,000 pesos up to 100,000 pesos with our Extreme and Ultimate pack. And here's the kicker. You'll be automatically upgraded to either a 3-star or a 5-star business owner and become a global product center when we launch. Number 2. Get 2 accounts before the 1-account policy begins. When Sante Next AI goes live, you'll only be allowed 1 business account. But if you join now, you can still secure 2 accounts, doubling your income potential. Number 3, qualify for leadership rank advancement instantly. Extreme pack holders who join now don't just save. You're already qualified to start ranking up when Sante Next AI begins. Number 4, keep your rank, lock in your benefits. All members who join before January 1st, 2026 will 1. Retain their current rank. 2. Enjoy lower-priced activation packages. 3. Enter 2026 already in position for massive growth. Number 5. Start building your team before the rush. Why wait until 2026? Start growing your team now using these powerful advantages. So when Sante Next AI launches, you're not just starting, you're already leading. Number 6. Qualify early for the Disney Cruise incentive.
18 years ago, we planted a vision. Today, it awakens. Smarter, stronger, sharper than ever. This is Sante Next AI. This isn't just another business opportunity. It's a powerful, life-changing platform, engineered to dominate, programmed to accelerate, built to break barriers. You don't have to wait for the future, because the future is already happening. So join us now, lock in your advantage, and get ready to launch into the next level of your life with us. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Sante Next AI.
Nakita mo yung difference, kaya ako nung na-explain sa akin, nalaman ko yung about thinking big, thinking to win. I grabbed the opportunity. Ang kinuha ko is yung builder package. Sayang ko, meron pa sana ako extra cash. Ang kinuha ko sana yung ultimate pack. Pero sa blessing naman, dahil sa builder pack na yun, pag-franchise kami and then lumaki yung business. What to do next? Kailangan mo lang po maging business owner. Piliin niyo po yung package na gusto ninyo. Kung gusto mo ng business, you consider the builder package. Pero kung gusto mo lang pong gumamit ng product, buy the starter pack.
At kung may extra fund ka, gusto mo pang mas malakihan, pang mas mabilisan, go for the Extreme pack. Or
Ultimate Pack para automatic franchise ka na at 5-star.
Then, use the products. Ang dami niyang benefits talaga, no? We have the training programs, tools, the videos, set na para sa'yo. Then, you can do this online. Here's the bonus. Meron na kami nagawa na step by step system para matulungan kang ma-build yung business at kumita ka ng mas mabilis. Wala kang makikitang ganitong klase ng negosyo na hindi tayo magkakilala pero willing ka namin tulong. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Pinakamaganda mo sunod na gawin, lock your spot because you will unlock the adventure, the excitement, na hindi ka magsisisi sa gagawin mo decision. Kung nakaya po na isang factory worker, shy type guy, introvert, walang alam sa business.
Orange Diamond Executive Director. Congratulations to
Na kaya kong umasenso, natulungan ko yung ibang tao, nagbago yung buhay ko, nagbago yung buhay nila. It can also happen to you. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Congratulations in advance and see you at the top.